Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Are you looking for a stunt truck? And this is the best option. This is Arrma Notorious V5. What you gonna do if your car get damaged? We got you covered with optional gears for all Arrma models. Seeing like this is not enough, right? Let me show you the power of the car. And this is So the offer for this car, you can buy this at Hobby Sports for 3,099 dirhams with charger and battery. If you only need the car, it's available for 2,300 and I'm Ramesh signing off.